Welcome to Bunky Shorts. My Uncle Butch had a tree ring in his backyard for years and years. He didn't want to throw it away because he always thought that he could use it somehow.
He absolutely loved the fact that we started making YouTube videos on our woodworking projects. So he gave us the tree ring.
In this short, I go ahead and make the jig in order to flatten the tree ring.
The first step in making this jig is to make a frame. The frame is what will house the tree ring.
Next, I make a sled that rides on the side of the frame. This sled houses the router and allows it to move back and forth over the tree ring.
We can flatten any tree rings or uneven boards with this flattening jig.
This is definitely a lot bigger than my planer.
Thank you for watching our content. Please like and subscribe.
And stay tuned for this future table build.